Good morning, and welcome back to Jody Lewis Creations. In today's video, we are working on day 27 for our Creep on June series. I have here a square die, and this is the Sizzix Framelits 662602. Today's piece has these two tags, and so what I want to do, I've like literally gone through pretty much every single die shape that I own because I wanted something other than just a square, but nothing works with the image to try to get that. So I just have a square, and I was thinking, I was kind of like looking at this for placement on my tag. Hopefully you can see that. Then I put my square on here, and I'm just going to pull that down and put a piece of washi tape on this to hold it. So that way I know like that's where I want that die to be on my thing. And then I'm gonna cut it out. I hope everybody's doing well today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. I worked on the, ooh, that is not centered. I moved it. I worked on the journal a little bit yesterday afternoon and got some stuff done on it. I'm still not to the point of, oh man. Well, it's okay. This is just one of those opportunities to fix it. Anyway, I don't have my die centered. I didn't get very far with it. I was like over it, and then I needed to clean up some. So I actually got my table cleaned up, which was great. And so I'm trying to get today's make done. I just told my girlfriend I should not be allowed to speak to anybody today. I had some telemarketer just call me, and it was a scam. And I gave him a good piece of my mind. And anyway, so I think I'm grounded today, and I should not be allowed to interact with anybody who could potentially annoy me. I don't know what's going on. I told Mark I like feel like I'm crying or ready to unalive people, and I'm not even mad at anybody today. So I don't know what's going on. If it's hormones, I don't know what, but I think I'm at that age where things are starting to change. I don't know if I'm going to handle it well. Plus, it's really hot and miserable today. That just certainly doesn't help anything. But, yeah. It's been an interesting morning so far. But this guy calls, and he is speaking so fast. I didn't even know what he said the first time when he started talking. And I was like, first of all, slow down. And I can talk pretty fast. I know that. And so I said, what are you calling about? And so he was like, are you the owner at this address? Which, yeah, that's my address. I said, what do you want? And he goes, well, I want to buy your house. Based on the condition of your home, blah, blah, blah. First of all, I know he's looking at outdated pictures on Zillow because I haven't updated the pictures for all the renovations that we've done. And second of all, it's a scam. So I said, you know, you don't want to buy my house, and you're not even legit, and you're trying to scam me. Shame on you. Nicer than what I actually said to him, but that was the gist of it. So I've decided I'm grounded today. Oh my gosh. Mark isn't much better, but I told him, I said, I'm really wondering if I'm starting to go through the change. And I had a partial hysterectomy years ago. So there are some things that I'm not able to track or see if it's different. But man, I mean, talk about a bull, raging bull today. And he's like, so Mark thinks it's funny to poke the bear because that's what he does. And this heat is not helping. I was outside earlier, like trying to do some stuff before it's too terrible, but we have 100% humidity today. That's ridiculous. Ridiculous. I'm just band-aiding this because I was off with the die, like, and I started to cut it, and then it moved when I put it in the machine. So it's not that big of a deal. Where's my lady? So now she will go in here and be like a picture where we're commemorating Granny and her favorite kitty. But we have a twist, if I can get that far. Where's my little... I just need to cut that tiny piece of tape. And that was such a sliver that was like a mess that it was hard to tape because it was so little. But it's fine. Okay. And I haven't cut the whole tag out yet because I don't know why. I will. I should, and then I can just put it straight on here. Oh, and I was thinking about a different way to use this. And like, if you wanted a longer tag, you could totally just cut those flaps off, and then that would give you a really tall tag, which I think would be really cool. And I like that idea. And I'm still pondering what I'm going to do with that. I love the checkerboard and all the colors on that. I think it's fantastic. So this I'm cutting out, and I need to back it with something, but we have to get our image in first. Yeah, this heat. So where we live, we are very fortunate. We don't typically get heat like this, but man, I'm thinking after the winter we had, are we gonna have a summer that's just as extreme? Because it's miserable. And a lot of people here do not have central air because there's a lot of old century homes here that aren't designed for it. Like, we put split units in the upstairs a couple years ago, which was a wonderful thing. But downstairs we didn't. And so thankfully he put that window unit in for me the other day. I just lost my witch, guys. Okay, so she's going to get scented there. I need to ink that. So I hope everybody's doing well. I was doing some like watering. So we repurposed the water that is our sump pump water. It's just like spring water that gets in our basement. And so when it pumps out in the summer, we redirect that water to like a big watering trough, like a horse or livestock trough. And then we can use that to water our plants and stuff, which is a great way to repurpose that water. And so I was trying to get that tank down this morning and pull some weeds and stuff like that before it was too miserable. But I am like, ugh. And it's too hot actually to go to the lake. Just the UV rays are too strong, I think. I think we would, I don't know. We'll see. Mark's trying to mow something today, and I think he's nuts, but it has to get done. So I suppose there's some grace. Okay. Cute. I like it. So then what I will do is, well, that's like not very straight, but it's okay. Pick this up where there's not glue and just squishy some glue in there just to kind of hold that in place better. And then what I want to do is back her. I think I'm just going to back her on some cardstock. And I think I may cut this white off and leave a little bit of gray reveal to like border the whole thing. I think that would be really pretty. So I will do that and then I'll come back. Today's going to be another short video because I need to be sent to my room and not come out until I have a better attitude. Oh, I'm kidding. I have some things I need to do. I do need a better attitude though. I need a beach with a cabana person just tells me to reapply my sunscreen every couple hours and keeps my drink full. Oh, I swear, we need a vacation. We really do. All right, I've taken a piece. I think this is like a piece of scarf or something. I'm not even really sure what it is. Excuse me. But I just tore a little strip of it. And I did it a little bit wider because I actually used my slot punch on here. And I want to just poke that through and just kind of tie it in a little knot up here. And please don't mind me, I'm just being silly. And even at my worst, I'm really not that bad, but I'm feeling a little crazy today. I don't know if it's the heat or what's going on. I really don't. A friend of mine just sent me a link to this like hormone kit tester thing that you can get on Amazon, and I think I'm gonna order it. Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's just the heat. It could just be the heat. The heat makes people do crazy things. I know. But I think I just like it tied once, maybe. Like that. Or do we want to do the traditional? I'm just trying to get this where I like the way it's laying, because we have to find a place to put it in our journal, and go from there. I was going to try to go up in the attic. I'm pretty sure I've got some boxes up there that are like thin, like cereal boxes or whatever, so that I can try to start working on the cover. But it was already 90 degrees in the attic when I thought about it, and I thought, yeah, I'm not going up there right now. So hopefully it will cool down, or I will come up with a solution that's down here. It needs to cool down because I've got to go up there to get Christmas stuff dug out for Christmas in July. But at least we should be able to get started on that, I hope. But the 10-day looks like it's going to simmer down a little bit, I hope. The humidity is what makes the big difference here, because like 85 and dry is fine, but 85 and super humid is not fine. And like we were at 100% humidity this morning, so it was really crazy. Okay, so the phrase for today I just made into a little ticket shape, and we'll stick that in a pocket somewhere. I wanted to use this lady with this tag base because I like the colors together, and I die cut out a spider web. One of my friends found this for $1 at a thrift store, and she's like, do you want this? And I'm like, yes, I do. Thank you. Now, if I could only find some ravens and spiders, that'd be sweet. But anyway, and then I put, is something the matter? Because she's like, what? Her face kind of mirrors mine today, I think. I'm totally poking fun at myself, because when I get like this, I have to poke fun at myself. Thank God I do not get like this very often. 2 days in a row is a bit much though. So, all right. I just backed that on the gray card and stenciled a little bit on the back just for some interest, and then we'll find a place for her to go. Let's see what we can... Oh, I kind of think I know where I want to put her. Ugh. I have a piece there I was prepping yesterday, so that will come probably in tomorrow's video, because again, I'm not going to continue filming today, or for this video anyway. I've got a couple things I need to do, and then hopefully I'll get a better attitude and can come back and film some more later. I don't know, we'll see. Oh, I hope you have a sense of humor today, because that's how I have to get through my day today. I picked up the wrong one is what I did. It's this one. It's this one I'm looking for. Yes, this one. I was looking for that belly band that I did, and I thought because she's tall enough, she could like slide down in behind it. But I thought that was in one of these two signatures, but maybe it's not. Well, I was trying not to put much in this one. Yep, right there. Right here. Oh, that's even better because that's basically the same background. So I'll just put it in there like that. And then that can peek out the top. Okay. Well, oh, words. We have to do our words. Words, words, words. This is day 27. And of course we need 2. Oh, these are like stuck together. All right, shadows and twilight. Those are our words for today. So shadows and twilight. So those are your 2 words for today. I hope that you're enjoying this. And oh, look at these fun hollow cats I made. They're holographic. I made them for today, but then I didn't end up using them for the make. But now I want to use them somewhere because they're fun. My mad scientist friend made me some holographic embossing powder, and it's so cool. And this is the first time I really used it, so I really like it. All right, well, I will see you guys in day 28, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.